In this session, let us learn about cleaning empty cells. Empty cells can potentially give a wrong result when you analyze data. Remove rows. One way to deal with empty cells is to remove rows that contains empty cells. This is usually okay since data sets can be very big and removing a few rows will not have a big impact on the result. Return a new data with no empty cells. See, by giving new underscore df is equal to df dot drop na method, see the 18, 22 and 28 rows was removed. See here 18 not there, 22 not there and 28 not there. See here, they were removed. These rows had cells with empty cells. In our cleaning examples, we will be using a CSV file called dirtydata.csv. Download dirtydata.csv or open dirtydata.csv. By default, the drop na method returns a new data frame and will not change the original. If you want to change the original data frame, use the in place or true argument. Remove all rows with null values. Import Pandas PID. See, by using this, notice in the result that some rows have been removed, row 18, 22 and 28. Those rows had cells with empty values. Check that. Now the drop na in place is equal to true will not return a new data frame, but it will remove all rows containing null values from the original data frame. Replace empty values. Another way of dealing with empty cells is to insert a new value instead. This way you do not have to deal entire values just because of some empty cells. The final method allows us to replace empty cells with a value. Replace null values with the number 130. See, we are replacing 130. Notice in the result empty cells got the value 130 in row 18, 22 and 28. See 22 and 28, see they were replaced, 130 here, they are replaced, 22 and 130. Replace only for specified columns. The example above replaces all empty cells in the old data frame. To only replace empty values for one column, specify the column names for the data frame. See here, import Pandas as PD. See, this operation inserts 113 empty cells in the calories column, row 18 and 28. Let us check that. See 18, okay, and 28, yes, it is inserted. This result is the return result. Replace using mean, median or mode. A common way to replace empty cells is to calculate the mean, median or mode value of the column. Pandas use the mean, median and mode methods to calculate the respective values for a specified column. Calculate the mean and replace any empty values with it. See here, by calculating with mean, as you can see in row 18 and 28, the empty values for calories was replaced with the mean 304.68. Check that. See 18 304 and 28 304, like that, 28 304. Mean is equal to the average value, the sum of values divided by number of values. Calculate the median and replace an empty values with it. See, as you can see in row 18 and 28, the empty values from calories was replaced with the median 291.2. See here, same 18, 28, see 291.2 and 28 also, see 291.2. Median is equal to the value in the middle after you have sorted all values ascending. Calculate the mode and replace any empty values with it. See, by calculating mode, as you can see in row 18 and 28, the empty values from calories was replaced with mode 300. See here, 300 replaced, 18 300 replaced and 28 300 replaced. Mode is equal to the value that appears most frequently. Okay friends, this is the end of part 10, cleaning empty cells. In next video, let us learn about another topic, cleaning wrong format. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.